Hey guys, it's Ray from EPM again. This is a video that I've been waiting for a while. So what I'm introducing today is the triple amber, triple red kit for the 2015 Plus Mustang. As you know, the Mustang in the United States have the red taillight and have sequential on that, but it is actually illegal in a lot of other countries. So we actually need amber for the indicator. And for some reason, Ford wasn't be able to actually have a proper sequential for the amber and have the red in all three bars here. So ended up with two red here and one just a normal blinker. I think it's just that lost that little charm in the tail light. So finally we were able to come up with a kit that is going to be able to reuse one of the bars from the original factory unit and recontrol everything together inside the LED. This is again a very over-engineered product that we offer EPM. It comes with 7 modes, and including a factory, and then cursor mode, which we've introduced, and normal sequential, plus all red and all yellow, all amber modes. So and then even that little box was so tough, and you can literally stand on it on a paper box and it won't break. I'm going to quickly show you how that works, and I'm going to do another video later to actually go through the details, maybe close-up video. But let me show you the cursor mode first. So just going to put the indicator on. You can see that's like a cursor that moving across the lights. So it doesn't go from 1, 1, 2, 1 to 3, which is the normal sequential mode. In that mode, if I apply, let's say, the running light, you can see the red is in the background. So in the same sense, if I apply the brake will always stay there, and while the indicator is going. And here you can see that all three brakes, all three light LED bars are up, and it is very clear, very bright, and you don't have the missing bar on the right and on the outside. So this is, I think, what it meant to be, but somehow Ford didn't do that. If someone from Ford is watching this, maybe give me a call and we can talk about what we can do with because the LED bars here is exactly using the same OSRAM LED bars, LED bulbs as a factory, and the control unit, the circuitry is pretty much the same. And yeah, and then there's a few other modes that's in there. So there's quite a few stuff, like the intensity of the lights compared to the factory are all adjusted so that they are even. And then we actually didn't even jack up the power on the LED lights very much. This is only like 15% of what is the maximum capacity. So this LED will be good for many years to come. And I think this is a final complete look of the Mustang in terms of the tail light. If this is your prized toy and you want to keep for a while, or just simply want to stand out in the crowd, this is in my opinion, one of the must-have mods. And we're going to have the same kit for the 2018 Mustangs, because we have already checked that for 2018 it's pretty much doing the same thing. It's got 2 red and 1 amber. Well, this is doing a proper triple amber, triple red. And by the way, this kit, this particular mode here is completely street legal. So I've questioned a few roadworthy experts in Australia and overseas, and they were happy with that. So yeah. And then obviously in EPM we provide that kit by itself if you know how to install it, or we can actually do the installation for you. This is just the tail light itself. It's very easy. You don't have to remove the bumper. 3 bolts in the back, take it off, we'll modify it, and then give the lights back to you. So I'll have separate videos to come up to talk about how to actually do the work. It is a little bit tricky, and probably need a professional to do it, but why not for this final look? And this completes the whole story with the front DRLs. So thank you for watching, and also our EPM, we actually upgraded our workshop. So you can see we have a quite big garage now. We can have like up to 6 cars in here, and I think you know, just give me a buzz if you're around in Melbourne, and I can fix you up for whatever Mustang needs you have. Thank you guys. See you next time.